Hey there everyone, thanks for checking in. So today we have the Rock Island Armory TAC Ultra FSHC. This one is chambered in 9mm. Before we proceed, safety check first. No magazine. Chamber is empty. Anyway, the TAC Ultra FSHC has a full tactical rail, front fiber optic sight, rear adjustable Novak style rear sight. It's an all steel pistol built by Armscor in the Philippines using what they call carefully managed hand fitting process. It only comes with one magazine here, so everything else you see here were bought as an extra. It has a 5-inch button rifle barrel supported by a full length guide rod, skeletonized hammer, skeletonized trigger with adjustable over travel stop. The barrel has 6 grooves, not sure if you can see that here, and a 1 16-inch twist. None of that means anything actually. If you are just a regular shooter, you just want something like a 2011 without spending upwards of $2,000 probably, you know, when you go to Staccato or Athena or any other high-end 2011 pistols. But this pistol is accurate for what it is, and you know, very tight tolerances, almost no wiggle, and yeah, you can just see it's smooth like butter when you wrap the slide. So before we proceed, some shooting clips first before we continue on with the specs.
Fighting.
Moving on, you'll see that the finish of the firearm is parkerized matte finish. It has battle-ready G10 grips, and just like most 1911s, the single action trigger hold of 46 pounds out of the box is crisp and it breaks like a glass. Here, take a look. The magazine capacity is 17 rounds. The weight of the gun, 2.7 pounds unloaded and just over 3.5 pounds loaded. It's a heavy firearm, but it helps manage the recoil, especially if what you have is the 40 Smith & Wesson or the 45 ACP version of this pistol. The length of the gun is 8.75 inches. The width is around 1.3 inches. And the height is 5.5 inches. Not something you would probably consider for concealed carry. So anyway, that's all for the specs. Here are some of the other shooting clips from my most recent range day with my guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you haven't, please click like, share, and comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Hey. Firing.
Kung ano. Kung tama. Firing. Okay. Sige, talag. Isa sa ng mga radio. Kailangan. Sa radio officer. Laglag. Laglag masin, laglag. Okay, good. Oh, nakataas.